today. Alright, welcome back guys. I've put my pepper fresh one. This is my spices. Alright, we have to come like a village girl. That's Africa vibe. This is all my spices guys. So I have to put them inside the mortar and pan with some onions. Then what we are going to be using to eat this goat meat pepper soup is white rice. Let's do it guys together. We can we have our washed goat meat. It is already washed and cleaned. Then I'll put it inside a pot. I'm going to be putting some onions. Then this is, I don't know, spices. I don't know if it is called black pepper or what. So I'm putting them inside. Then this is black pepper. I'm going to be applying a little. The rest of it to season everywhere. Goat meat pepper soup. Tailor. Then let's put some salt. I want to put my blended dry pepper. Just a little. Then this is the blended pepper and spices that I blended before with onions. Then I'm going to be putting them inside just to season everything together. So what we have to do now is to cover everything and take it to our gas cooker. Yeah, good. We've done it. We finished it. Guys, now that I find goat meat, make it pepper soup. Thank you so much for watching guys. Let me go and settle down and deal this food. I love you. What?